Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Alverson, or 12 miles east of New Holland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Honeybrook, Alverson, New Morgan, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Putown, Leonville, Shadarville, Lyonville, and Marchwood, Stowe, South Pottstown, Kenilworth, and Exton. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 316. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania,